Hey Tabitha, my name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to show you the 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? My answer is, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their own businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation that they have to hire someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I've found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free, this has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Alex, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can say that I've got a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you and do it for yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of our time. The first one is content. So looking at your page right here, I do like this click to call right here. Nice button. And also I did see this pop up and ask me to text you guys. That is all good. I would put another button down here. Looks like you've got some awards. It's great. Yeah, the only thing that I would like to see on this front page is just more content. We can put more keywords in there. Google usually likes to have at least 1,500 words. I put your website in this web page word counter, and we found about 533 words on there, which is not bad. I originally found you guys looking for waterproofing Grand Junction, and this one was the top result there. It looks like they have a little more words on their website, on their front page, homepage of their website. Every month, people are searching for this waterproofing Grand Junction 30 plus times, and you guys want to be number one. You guys want to be the top, so you can be the ones that people choose. People usually don't go past this first page of Google, so you want to be on it. You don't want to be here 10 GLE. You don't want to be at the end. You want to be right up front. That's where people are going to find you. So I put your website into this SEM Rush. This is a free tool if you only want to use 10 searches a day. I pay about $120 for it each month. But this is a great tool to see how you're doing online and see how your competitors are doing and see how to outrank them. So it looks like some of your top keywords that you're ranking for: peak structural, Nexus Pro, joint sealant, peak basement system, Nexus Pro, and some of the keywords that your top competitor is ranking for. It's foundation repair of Western Colorado, mold, cracks, crawl spaces, and that's all content that you can throw in that homepage. Google usually, like I said, wants 1,500 on that homepage and then another 500 at least on each of your back pages. So the next thing I'd like to go over with you is your citations, or your referring domains right here. Looks like you've got 400 something of those, which is good. That's a lot of them. Those are what gets you ranked up on this map pack. So as you can see, all these people have their name, address, and their phone number on these, and Google ranks you on this map pack by the amount of times that your name, address, and phone number, or NAPS, N-A-P-S, is listed on the web, just anywhere across the web. A lot of times those are directories, like Yellow Pages, White Pages, CityStar, Yext, those kind of directories. You can also see, it looks like that might be a newspaper or something, some construction blogs, another blogs. Yeah, just the amount of times that your website is listed online, or that your name, address, and phone number is listed online. Looks like you've already got more referring domains than your top competitor in the Western Slope. And I know I'm talking about the Western Slope. I know you guys are based a little outside of Colorado Springs, and you also work in the Denver area, and I just think the Western Slope, it's a huge area, huge population that you could really be going after and really ranking high on that end of things as well. And the way you do that is just you come in, you see all these referring domains, you go into all of theirs, which are relevant in the Western Slope in their business place, and you get all of those plus 100 or 200 more, and you just beat them by a landslide. The last thing I'd like to go over with you is these backlinks. So these are what gives you your site authority online. These backlinks, you can see that when we search for waterproofing Grand Junction, your site is not number one. Not even close to number one. Now this is where we want to. This is where you want to be. You want to be number one. You want to be on that first page, and this is how you do it. So backlinks are pretty much one site that is directly linking back to your site, showing Google that your site is relevant and giving you more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But not all backlinks are created equal. The backlinks you obtain work a lot more effectively when you have more relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have, let's see, builds, PW, groundworks companies, foundation recovery, these kind of relevant links linking back to you, then that shows that is a lot more relevant than, like, say, Pizza Hut or something linking back to you, because you're not slinging pizzas, and that's not what you want to rank for. So again, this is SEO Quake. It's a free tool. If you're looking to use a tool, this is free. Great, check it out. Here you can see it. You have 4.3 thousand backlinks. Look at you. 4.3 thousand backlinks, but they are not the relevant backlinks to rank in this area. So if you come in here again, boom, 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 go through all of these, get the same backlinks, get the same amount, get the more relevant ones, and it shows you the how many links, how good each link is, and you just take all those links plus say 100 more and just beat that competitor by a landslide again. So in closing, we went over 3 things: the content, the citation, and the backlinks. Content, You can put a little more content on this front page. You don't want to stuff content. You don't want to stuff those keywords because Google doesn't like that either. But you spread that content out. You make it look nice, and you get ranked. Google will like the layout. They will like your content, and they'll put you at the top. The citations in here, those referring domains. You just need 100. Those 200 more that this top competitor had, and you just beat those guys easy. And then the third thing is the backlinks. They've got 992. You've got 4.3 thousand, but theirs are just more relative to the area, to the search, and that's what you go in and use. You use all of theirs that are relative, and you put those on your site, and that shows Google that you're authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google and in all of your areas, really. So, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided with you today, and you can do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself some time, you can give me a call at 303-625-3623. Once again, my name is Alex. I can help you get better results on the internet, and my number is 303-625-3623. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great one.